Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Math e-Learning. Today we will learn exercise 1.3 of class 7. Question number 1 is find each of the following products. A is 3 multiplied by minus 1. Here the product means we have to do multiplication. And if we multiply this positive number with this negative, then we know that plus minus becomes minus. So answer is 3 ones are 3 and it is negative because plus minus minus. B is minus 1 multiplied by 225. First we do multiplication without sign. So 225 ones are 225. And here we know that minus plus minus, right? This number is minus, this one is plus. So minus plus becomes minus. So answer is minus 225. C is minus 21 multiplied by minus 30. Now both the numbers are negative and we know that minus minus becomes plus in multiplication. So first of all we do multiplication without sign. So 21 3s are 63 and 1 0 of 30, right? So we write the answer 630 and it would be positive because minus minus becomes plus. D is minus 316 multiplied by minus 1. Again both the numbers are negative. So we know that minus minus plus. So 360 multiplied by 1 is equal to 316. So answer is positive here because minus minus becomes plus. Next is minus 15 multiplied by 0 multiplied by minus 18. Here we have both integers negative, but one 0 is also there in multiplication. And we know that whenever an integer is multiplied with 0, then we get always answer 0 itself. So here we get the answer of this multiplication 0. Next is minus 12 multiplied by minus 11 multiplied by 10. So first of all we do multiplication of minus 12 and minus 11, and by multiplying this we get 132, and now both integers are negative, so we know that minus minus plus. So answer is plus 132. Now we multiply it with 10 and we get answer 1320, and this is positive. Next is 9 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 6. Here we have again two integers negative. So we know that by multiplying negative integers we always get positive as answer. That means here if we multiply 3 and 6, then we get the answer 18. That is minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 is equal to 18. Then after we multiply it with this 9, and we know that 18 nines are 162. So answer is 162. Next is minus 18 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 4. Here we have three integers negative. So first of all we do multiplication of first two integers, and here both are negative, so we will get answer positive of this multiplication. So 18 5s are 90. Then after we will multiply it with minus 4. Now 90 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 360, because we know that this integer is plus and next integer is minus. So plus minus minus. So our answer is also negative, and answer is minus 360. Next is minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 4. So first of all we multiply here minus 1 and minus 2, and both integers are negative, right? So we get the answer of this multiplication positive, because minus minus plus. So 1 2s are 2. Then after we multiply these two numbers, right? Minus 3 multiplied by 4. Now see, one number is negative and another is positive. So minus plus is equal to minus. That means 3 4s are 12, but it is negative. Now we multiply 12 and 2. 12 2s are 24. Again we have one positive and one negative integer. So plus minus minus. So answer is minus 24. Next is minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Here we have all integers negative, and we know that whenever we multiply two negative integers we always get positive as answer. So we get this 18 as positive because 3 6 are 18, and then after 2 1s are 2, and it is also positive. Now we multiply 18 and 2. 18 2s are 36, and it is positive. Now question number 2 is verify the following. What we supposed to do here? First of all, we check what is in left hand side and what is in right hand side. We evaluate that left hand side and right hand side. Then after we will check whether this left hand side answer and right hand side answer is same or not, right? So first of all we solve left hand side, and here it is 18 multiplied by into the brackets 7 plus minus 3, and as per board mass rule we know that first of all we need to solve brackets. 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 4, right? Then after we have to multiply this 4 with this 18, right? So here we multiply it with 18, and we know that 18 4s are 72. So we get answer of left hand side 72. Now we check what will be the answer of right hand side. Now we solve right hand side, and the equation of right hand side is 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3. Here first bracket is 18 multiplied by 7. So 18 7s are 126. Then after we solve this bracket and we write this plus sign as it is. 18 3s are 54. But here one number is positive and another number is negative. So plus minus minus. So 54 is minus here. Now we have one number positive and another number negative. So plus minus minus. So we need to do subtraction of 126 and 54. By doing subtraction we get 72, and we have to consider sign of greater number here in the answer. So it is positive. So here we get 72 positive. And now we have left hand side and right hand side equal, and we can say that these equations are verified because both the sides are equal. Now we solve next. B is minus 21 multiplied by into the brackets minus 4 plus minus 6. So we know that first of all we need to solve left hand side, and here minus 4 plus minus 6 is given in the brackets. So first we need to solve these brackets, and we write this minus 21 and multiplication sign as it is, and minus 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 10 because minus minus plus. So we need to do addition. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, and sign of greater number which is negative. That's why it is minus 10. Now we multiply minus 21 and minus 10, and both are negative integers. So our answer is positive. 21 tens are 210, and it is positive because minus minus becomes plus in multiplication. Now we solve right hand side, and here we have two brackets. First we solve this bracket, minus 21 multiplied by minus 4, minus minus plus, so answer is plus of this multiplication, and 21 fours are 84, so it is positive. Second is 21 multiplied by 6, so it is 126, and we know that the answer of this multiplication is also positive because here both integers are negative. Now we do addition of 84 and 126, and we get the answer 210. You can do this in your rough book also, right? Whenever we are doing multiplication or addition, you can do it in your rough book. Now we compare left hand side and right hand side, and both are equal. So we can say that equation is verified.